X5M. This bad boy. No, I don't need to reset the average. I know I get terrible mileage around town. So there's the Yukon. Started the battery relocation. I am modifying the positive terminal for the battery that goes to the starter. So I'm actually extending that one. That's what I need to do. Because I want to get it all off that side. Because I'm going to end up running the triple catch can right there. And so we'll end up doing the oil, the overflow, and we're going to do the coolant and whatnot. So, yeah. That's what we're going to get started on this bad boy. Finished doing the terminals today, and then I got the on-3 turbo setup is coming, and yeah, that should end up being pretty legit.